Hello dears. In this video we are going to discuss how to write an article. Article writing. So first of all we have to find out what is an article. An article is an expression of one's thought on an issue or a subject. So an article is an expression of one's thought or idea about an issue or a subject, logically written in meaningful paragraphs. So one's idea or thought about an issue that we have to write in a meaningful paragraph, that is article. It is a written composition in prose, usually notification on a specific topic, forming an independent part of a book or other publications as a newspaper or magazine. So usually these articles publishing in newspaper or magazines. So it's a piece of writing for a large audience, and its topics regarding of the interest of the writer, or it may be related to some current issues. So next, there are 4 basic types of writing commonly known as writing styles. And these styles of writing are: first one is expository, second one persuasive or argumentative, third one narrative, and fourth one descriptive. So these are the writing styles of an article. Next, we need to discuss about the marking scheme, and which includes heading. First one is heading and writer's name, which carries 1 mark. Next, content, that for 4 marks. An expression, which includes grammatical accuracy, relevant words and spelling, consistency and significance of ideas and styles, and which carries 5 marks. Total 10 marks. So while writing an article, you have to always keep a few general quotes handy. So for introduction, you can give some famous quotes for a catchy starting. And you have to avoid repetition of ideas. Don't repeat the ideas. Do not deviate from the topic. So don't deviate from the main subject, main topic. Make small sentences. Write small sentences. Double check for grammatical accuracy and spelling. After finishing your writing, you have to double check your answer for grammatical and spelling accuracy. And you need to underline the important points. That rule you have to by heart and follow. That is, underline the important points. So there are different parts of article writing. Format of an article includes heading, byline, and body. So format of an article includes heading, byline, and body. So first one is heading. Heading of the article should be engaging and catchy. So don't forget, and you have to add some catchy headlines. Should not exceed more than 5 to 6 words. Make sure your heading doesn't have any spelling and grammatical mistakes. So you have to double check it and make sure that heading doesn't have any spelling or grammatical errors. Don't use unnecessary punctuation marks in the heading. So no need to give any punctuation marks in the heading. Heading carries 1 mark in article writing. So you have to remember that heading also have mark that carries 1 mark. So you have to remember this rule, that is heading should be catchy, do not exceed more than 5 to 6 words, and you have to sure that heading should not have any spelling and grammatical mistake, and no need to give any punctuation mark in the heading, and which carries 1 mark. Next one is byline. Byline is nothing but the name of the person who is writing the article. So after headline you have to give the byline. Byline means the name of the person who is writing the article. The name of the person will be generally given in the question paper itself. So the name of the person usually in the question paper itself, it will be in the question paper itself. But if the name is not given in the question paper, then you can give any name. So first one is heading, second one is byline. Byline means the name of the person who is writing the article, and mostly the name will be given in the question paper itself, but in the case it is not there, then you can give the name. And third one is body. The body is the main part of article writing which carries more weightage of mark. So the third format is the body, and body carries more weightage, more marks. Generally the body of the article consists of at least 3 to 4 paragraphs, and mostly the article consists of at least 3 to 4 paragraphs. You can add your ideas in different paragraphs. More than 4 you can add. So as I already said, there are different paragraphs in the body. So first paragraph should be introduction paragraph. For that it should be accurate and explain what the article talking about. In that you have to give some introduction about the topic. Try to give some quotations to excite the interest of the reader. So in this introductory paragraph you can give some quotations, famous quotations regarding the topic, and you have to follow or keep simple language. Paragraph 2 and 3, and it must come up with a complete analysis of the subject matter in the question. So in the second and third paragraph you have to analyze the topic, analyze the subject, and here you can include the advantages and the disadvantages of the problem. The last one is fourth paragraph. It should be conclusion paragraph. You can add more paragraphs. It is simple format of an article. Here I include only 4 paragraphs. That's why I added here that conclusion paragraph. So you have to conclude the article what you have started. So in the last paragraph you can conclude your article, and never leave an article open-ended. If you start writing article, you have to conclude your article. So the last paragraph should speak about the problem raised and actions taken for the betterment of the problem. So in the last paragraph you have to give some solutions of your topic, about your topic. It should be simple and precise. As I already said, you have to write article in a simple language, and it should be precise also. So here we discussed about the format of an article writing. First one is headline, second one is byline, third one is body. Here some article samples for you. In this you can find out the mentioned parts of article writing. Compassion and love go hand in hand. So these are the headline, heading, and below that you can see byline by Polly Castor. That is the name of the person who wrote this article. After that, introductory paragraph, and after that, other paragraphs, and the end you can see conclusion paragraph. So once again, format of an article includes heading, byline. Byline means name of the person who writes the article. The third one is body. Body means the separate paragraphs. Hope you understood how to write an article. So, the total marks of article writing is 10 marks, and heading have 1 mark, content have 4 mark, grammatical accuracy and the relevant of the topic and ideas have 5 marks, and total 10 marks. So don't lose your marks, and you have to remember one important thing, and don't forget that don't write any of your personal details while attempting answers in the exam. Your name, address, number, etc.